What's up YouTube, ERT back at it again with another video. If you like today's video, please like and subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And yeah, today we took a W, as you can see by the title. And before we even get into this trade recap, I kind of want to cover why I haven't posted the past 2 days, and it's not for something good. So yesterday I ended up full porting because I got tired of my eval, and I was up 1100, so I only needed about 1900 more to pass it, and I just got tired of it. I was like, you know what, I had it for like a month already. I just wanted to pass it, and I lost, right? I lost the trade, and I went down to 49 something, and I ended up resetting my account because I had a free reset because my payment had come up this month. So I resetted my account, and we took a nice trade after that, which had us at 263 profit on the new funded, right, on the reset one. And then we took this trade today. So that's kind of what happened yesterday. That all happened yesterday, guys. Like, that's the reason I haven't posted, because I was going through it, and subconsciously, once you do something dumb, like I don't feel like posting on YouTube. But like I said, and I'm gonna keep this YouTube channel as thorough and as real as possible. Anything I do, I'm gonna let you guys know. And yesterday was a bad day, right? That was my first time ever full porting, and I was just tired of the funded. I was just like, I want to pass this. I'm done. And I did something dumb, but we're back in action. I'm gonna get down to this trade recap, and actually I'm gonna show you guys a funded before anything. So as you can see, yesterday we lost the funded, right, the thing, because we full ported, and then I didn't lose it. I just resetted my account. So now we resetted. Yesterday we took a W, 263. Well, we took technically not a W, right, because I lost it, the funded, or I full ported one, and then I had to reset it, my free reset, and now we're back up 263 after that trade yesterday. And then today we took this, a 1 to 2.65, almost a 1 to 3. So let's get down and gritty. And before I start, we're back at what we were at yesterday with just 2 days of trading. Technically almost one. So had I not been stupid, or had I not been dumb, we would have been at 2200 already, 52.2k. But I full ported yesterday, so we're back at 51.1k. Same thing as yesterday. We need 1900 more to pass the funded. So yeah, guys, sadly I did something dumb yesterday. We would have been at 52, man. 52. It is what it is, though. We're back in action. Let's go. So today my bias was really simple, right? So if I delete all this, we had a unmitigated area here on ES. Same thing, we had a unmitigated area here, and that's it. So I saw two things, right? Either price wanted to come up, tap here, and we capitulate downwards. Either price pushes all the way up here, which I never saw that. I only marked this out. So we either came up here and then came down, and that's it. And to be honest with you guys, today my bias was only bearish. Why? Because if we go back to the 4 hour, we had this 4 hour sweep here on the 4 hour, and then I scaled down to the 1 hour. We also had this sweep, and I was just bearish because market has just been bearish in general, right? Even though we had this huge displacement up, we also had already swept out London highs a while ago. Technically, we didn't sweep them out. We were really only sweeping these highs out. But if I go here and show you guys, right, as you can see, these were London highs. We've been taking those out, so it wasn't really that, but it was just another thing to keep in mind, that we had London lows down here, right? So my bias was really bearish today, and yeah, just a simple bias too, based off of these things, right? We were in that 4 hour. I saw we were respecting that, and we were coming back down after this sweep. So I scale down and I mark out the things I needed to mark out, right? So what do we see? We see on NQ, we see a 5-minute break of structure here, which we break structure at 9:45, a good time. We're approaching macro, right? So we break structure here on the 5-minute at 9:45. Before this, we make a 5-minute SMT. We had one before this, but we ended up coming all the way back up on NQ, but we never came back up on ES. So as you can see, we never passed these highs we did on NQ. So we come back up, and I'm like, okay, I like what I'm seeing. I'm still pretty bearish, although we are really looking bullish on NQ, right? Just based off of simple chart movement. So we break 5-minute structure. After that, I'm like, okay, I want to see what price action is doing. Go down to the 1-minute, and we just displace down, right? We're just displacing downwards. After this, oh wait, by the way, I didn't talk about my other areas, right? We had a 15-minute unmitigated area here with these lower highs, right? Because they were on top of this unmitigated area. So I could see price coming down to that. After that, I'm like, okay, my jaw is technically down here, right? We had this 4-hour unmitigated area, but price to me is telling me that it wants to go lower, right? Like just based off of simple analysis, just 5-minute SMTs, we're breaking 5-minute structure, and then after we make this huge displacement, right, we come back down. This was another thing, right? I had this 5-minute unmitigated, we had a mitigated area here, but we had this 5-minute imbalance that I wanted to see either get mitigated or like get tapped, filled into, basically filled, right? I wanted to see it get filled, so it wasn't an obstacle, it wasn't a river anymore that I had to cross, and you know, it had the potential to stop me out if I took it to the downside. So after we come down, we play into it, we come back up, right? On ES, we actually hit my target on ES first, so another confluence was for NQ to catch up, right? I just wanted to see NQ basically hit the same areas as ES. After that, I mark out 5-minute equilibrium, as you can see, from these highs to these lows down here, this low, I marked the wrong one, to this low. We come all the way back into equilibrium, and I basically wait for this whole move down, right? I liked how we came up and we came all the way back down. After we come back down, I simply scale in, and I see we inverse the first imbalance, and that's not what I entered off because we still had another imbalance down here, and I didn't like how we came back down, right, into this imbalance, and we made a nice doji, nice rejection doji. So I wanted to see this get inversed, right? After that inverse, I see it get inversed, boom, enter, and we take it down to here, right? A 1 to 2. After we passed my 1 to 2 area, I was tracking with my stop loss. I took a second trade on paper trading, which was this trade, the same trade, except we actually took it after this last inverse right here. As you can see, we have this imbalance. After we inverse that imbalance, entered here, put my stops like right around here. I'm pretty sure I had it right there, and we basically shorted all the way down here. I have a screenshot of when I was in the trade. I'll put it in somewhere here. This trade would have, imagine if we took this on the funded, let's see, I'm pretty sure this one was like 1900. Yeah, this trade was 1925. I have the executions on there, but this would have been a banger as well if we took it on the funded. It is what it is. I'm happy with what I got though. But yeah, guys, nice and simple day today. That's basically what we ended up taking today. Nice and simple. Back in action. Sadly, yesterday we did something dumb and we full ported, so we lost all the progress, but we're literally back at the same spot. This trade we made about 885. I'm pretty sure this one trade was 885. And yeah, guys, we're back at 51.1k. Let's see what happens the rest of the week. And sorry for not posting too. Like and subscribe. Instagram's in the description. Comment, all that good stuff. Peace.